Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the newest episode of
Lincoln Roots.
podcast. कैसे हो सब लोग? सब बढ़िया, सब मस्त चल रहा है. I know
मस्त.
लॉकडाउन वगैरह का सीन है, but I'm hoping that you guys are doing well. How about you, Vivek? How are you?
ठीक हो यार, मतलब चल रहा है. अगेन वही लॉकडाउन शुरू हो गया है, सो थिंग्स बैक टू लाइक ओल्ड सेल्फ हो चुका है. कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसका. तो व्हाट अबाउट यू?
मतलब okay, I'm gonna talk about it, but भाई दिल्ली में नाइट कर्फ्यू लगा है और तू वैसे भी रात को बाहर नहीं जाता. So why are you sad about it?
भाई तेरे साथ नहीं जाता ना.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Okay, I think this we have to discuss post this podcast. Coming back, I am very excited today because of the topic that we are going to discuss, and also with the guest that we have on the show today. She is a very good friend of mine whom I met in Bombay while I was studying my dance movement therapy course. She's a master's in clinical psychology. She has a diploma in counseling. And she also is a budding movement therapy practitioner like myself. I am so proud and I'm so delighted to present and call upon this podcast Miss Yashashwini Gadvi.
Hello, listeners. Hello, Sumit. Hello, Vivek.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
How are you, madam?
I am amazing. How are you all? How is Delhi?
Delhi is nice.
hmm
Treating us pretty well. Night curfews are there, but that's fine. How are things in Gujarat though?
Gujarat. Well, I would just say one thing. Gujarat recently hosted a match. Thanks to that, things are amazing now, if you know what I mean.
Okay, that says a lot.
कोई तो कोई तो एक स्टेडियम है
Yeah,
किसी तो एक पर्टिकुलर के नाम पे बट
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. जहाँ पे KL राहुल बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं खेल पाया,
सही
sadly.
में.
Let's not go in the details because I know nothing about cricket.
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, we'll spare you that torture.
Yes.
So, also, as I said, I'm really excited about today's podcast because this is one thing which I've always wanted to talk about. And so let me very quickly, kill the suspense right here for the audience. We're going to talk about real self versus pretense self. And when I say real versus pretense, let me tell you what it exactly means. So, my understanding of real versus pretense self is that there is one persona or one self that you actually are, despite all the insecurities that you have. And then there is this one self which you portray or you don't even intend to portray, but you are out there in different situations and scenarios. So I feel those two selves are very different, and we are going to talk about that. Vivek, do you want to add something?
Yes, man, totally. So I agree कि there are like two things which we basically portray in our life. एक होता है which is basically in our head. So for me, it is like what is in my head and versus what I am like talking to my people with whomsoever I'm interacting essentially. So that is what real versus pretend self means for me. Because if I say, so I am a big time introvert, I'm very shy, right? But because of my experiences and the situations in which I have been put over these years, I have learned to interact with people, right? And just कर्ब दैट इंट्रोवर्ट वाला जो फैक्टर है, वो जो भी मेरा बिहेवियर है इन फ्रंट ऑफ द न्यू पीपल, तो मेरे को करना पड़ता है लोगों के साथ इंटरेक्ट. आई हैव टू बी वेरी ओपन टू देम वेरी क्विकली. सो आई हैव लर्न अ वे अराउंड इट, बट स्टिल इनसाइड, डीप इनसाइड, आई एम एक्चुअली एन इंट्रोवर्ट. मेरे को काफी ऐसे शाइनेस रहती है. आई एम लाइक ओके, व्हाट इज दिस पर्सन गोइंग टू थिंक अबाउट एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. वो सारे थॉट्स आते हैं. सो या, दैट इज समथिंग फॉर मी.
It's amazing that you guys chose a topic like this because in the world of social media, I think nobody knows who is the real self and the pretentious self because
Wow. I did not think it this way. Like we just started with Yashashwin and like her first thought has already blown my mind. I just cannot wait for this conversation. Oh my God. Please go ahead. I'm so sorry.
And now giving me performance pressure, but never mind. So yeah, I mean, obviously we are in the world of social media, everything, and thanks to this corona thing, everything is online now. So there is no way we are going back. Okay, we're just going to go ahead with this whole social media thing. So a lot of people are struggling. Like for example, like Vivek mentioned that he's an introvert and he's a shy person. But now, for example, the need of the hour is that he wants to, for example, do something with his career online. Now he'll be forced to come in front of camera. Like a lot of people have this issue. They cannot talk in front of camera. They do not want to be. Like many of the influencers are so shy when you meet them. They cannot make eye contact. So that is what is happening in this current hour, and I am so glad that we are talking about it, at least at this level. And yeah, it is very important. I would not call the other self as pretentious. I think I'll call that as another part of me which is coming out. It's like one tree having so many branches, but all are equally important in this times. Earlier, this was not applicable, I believe, but now I think it is very important that we have different elements to us just in order to survive, if we have to call it that way.
Yeah, that's a like the branches of a tree is such a great analogy to this thought. But like I get what you are saying when you say the branches of a tree wali analogy. मतलब can you elaborate this a little more? क्योंकि मतलब मुझे
Let me elaborate and make it a little bit clear what I mean by the tree thing. So, see, the trunk is the important. So, if I have to use your language, so the what you called as the real self, so that is the trunk. Now, as the need and as the atmosphere and as the surroundings, different stems come. Similarly, there are times when, we introspect a lot and then we're like, now this part of myself is not that important. Like for example, um, I'm very aggressive when it comes to explaining or arguing. Like I can be assertive rather than being aggressive. So I might just shed that part of my personality. So you cut that branch. Are you getting it?
okay.
If I have to explain it in a more better way. But the trunk remains the same. The trunk remains the core. Like the core remains the same. So that is your real self.
Okay, I think what essentially you're talking about is the further disintegration of what we were saying, if that make any sense. Like you're getting down to the bare bones of what we like. Ours was basically umbrella thought, and then you're getting deep down. Okay, before we proceed, uh, we have a few questions for you. So I'm just gonna shoot the questions, and let's see how this goes. All right. So the first question is this कि जो हम ये बात कर रहे हैं let's for the sake of this conversation, let's keep it real versus pretense. Like I understand what you just told us is the theoretical, like the psychological theory based part. I completely agree, but just for the sake of this conversation, let's keep it real versus pretense so that it's easier to understand. uh, I just wanted to know कि based on human psychology or like the psychological studies, is it any good having all these different tree branches that you spoke of?
It's not about good or something, but I believe that if things go out of your own control, then that is when you need to check in with yourself, because there are so many people who are not even aware about the way they react in front of different kinds of environments or different kind of people. जैसे उनको समझ ही नहीं आता है कि why do they behave like this, and they don't even find it questionable that I'm doing something wrong. So that's when I think you need to check in with yourself. And the more, like the quote which says that keep it simple. Similarly, in real and pretentious self, also keep yourself as simple as possible. The more you're, having a lot of different kind of personalities, the more it becomes impossible for you to all, get it all together and have a sync I would say. There is no congruence then. And you're at the end of the day, you're completely exhausted.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense though. Like the congruence and all is fine, but matlab एक second. Let me tell you the story from where the idea of this episode stemmed. Okay, just to make it like more clear and more relatable out there. कि before going to Bombay, before I went for my dance movement therapy ka course, I always lived in Delhi. So, like for the first 24 to 25 years of my life, I was living in Delhi. I was living with my parents. There was a certain kind of pattern that I used to follow, and there was a certain persona that I had created for myself, which I used to portray in front of my parents. So when I say that, what I mean is that my parents always saw me as this very, like very gentle, very docile, हर बात मानने वाला और हर सही काम करने वाला बच्चा, कि हमारा लड़का तो कभी कुछ गलत कर ही नहीं सकता. नॉट इन लाइक इन द बेस्ट ऑफ सेंसेस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. ठीक है, जो आइडियली स्टूडियस और पढ़ाकू और वो जो बच्चा होता है ना, उनको वो मेरे को लाइक अभी 24-25 साल तक भी उनको ऐसे ही लगता था कि ये ऐसे ही है. ही डजंट मेक एनी जोक्स, ही इज वेरी सीरियस अबाउट हिज वर्क ऑल द टाइम एंड just like agreeing to what the parents says, so in sort of a way. ठीक है, but like I know कि जब मैं अपने parents के आसपास होता था तो I knew in by myself कि नहीं, like this I am basically role playing of this good boy, good son that I had to play, क्योंकि मेरे पेरेंट्स ने शुरू से देखा ही वो है. और अगर अभी मैं एकदम से स्विच करूँगा टू माई रियल सेल्फ, विच लाइक दिस प्लेफुल, दिस समटाइम्स नॉटी, समटाइम्स मिस्चीवियस, समटाइम्स रैंडम एज हेल person that I am around my friends, or when I'm outside, or in parties with friends, when I'm chilling with my friends, right? So if I break from that docile character to this part of myself, it'll be a very big contrast to them. And this I realized when I was in Bombay. Like ऐसा जैसा बोलते हैं ना आईने में दिखना, तो मेरे को बॉम्बे में ये चीज़ रियलाइज हुई, क्योंकि जब ऑलमोस्ट साल भर के लिए मैं घर से दूर रहा, एंड देयर वाज नो प्रेशर ऑन मी ऑफ like of being that kid that they want to see in their house, or like not that they want to see, but like which I always was in front of them. Let's put it that way, like that is more appropriate. तो वो डिफरेंस मेरे को बहुत कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखा वहाँ पे बॉम्बे में. तो like these are the exact things that I wanted to talk about when I say my docile and my studious self is what pretense self is for me here in my story, and the one that I was when I was in Bombay, when I was free, when I was living on my own terms, when I was living the way I actually wanted to, that is the real self that I'm talking about. So मतलब ये मैं बात कर रहा था when I say कि how, like, is it any good or bad? When I asked you this is exactly the frame of reference that I was referring to. So is it still the same, your answer, or like does this give you a new perspective to talk about this?
No, it's definitely giving me a different perspective. And I would like to start by a quote which I wrote this evening, that our country basically, I think I would just target our country only, that our country is stuck between parents' stubborn beliefs and kids' novelty. Okay. Now that's when, and neither of them wants to negotiate. Okay. Neither of
Okay.
them wants to negotiate this. It's a
Okay.
deal which is running in loss. Nobody is caring about it. And what you're saying about the real, And
I think this negotiations that you're talking about like
Sums up the
sums up the idea of this podcast.
Lincoln rules.
Yeah, like the whole idea of Lincoln Roots
Yeah.
is to talk, like to start these conversations that you're talking about. Yeah, but please go ahead.
yeah, I'm so glad that we are, like talking about this and making our first steps toward the negotiation. So yeah, if I have to say, obviously now the branches thing, I was talking about your journey with yourself, but then that is not possible. Obviously, you have a whole environment around you, people around you, and it is going to, you know, get your real self and your
Yeah,
pretentious self to the surface. And then you are in this fix which one to choose. Lucky people rebel, others go back to the whole same kind of environment. And sadly, some of them are not even aware what we are talking about.
yeah,
So yeah.
So so that explains a lot, Yashaswini. I just have one more question to add to it. So when you say there are a lot of personalities, right? So lucky people go to rebellion thing, right? And not so lucky people just go back, right? So what do you think? Where does this stem from? What is basically the roots of it? Like, why do people essentially behave differently in different circumstances, right? Why can one not be like their real self, right? Or just be one of a kind? Like, if they are like, when you talked about the trunk, right? Why cannot they be just the trunk? Why do they have to become the branches?
Very nicely asked, Vivek. That's a very nice question. I think this stems from blackmailing. Now, let me elaborate on that. What happens is, I will first talk about a parent child relationship, okay? So, when parents set up rules, they never give kids, mostly parents, they don't give a logic to their kids.
okay,
ठीक है. So, for example, I'll just give you a very, I don't know if it's not related to the context, but when you tell a child that do not go in the dark room, what logic do you give? Some Kala Baba is there.
Exactly.
Do you ever tell the child that you might get hurt because you can't see? Your vision is not there in dark, right? You can't see clearly, so you might get hurt. So now my real self was not scared of dark. I am being conditioned to be scared of dark. Are you getting it? So
Yes.
this starts from all these rules. For example, my real self might want to explore, or I just don't want to become, I just don't want a desk job. I want to do something artistic. But I've always been told, like, ये blackmailing पहले से ही शुरू हो जाती है, that, you don't do this. If you do this, then we will do this. If you do this, then we do this. Then the child's mind, and I'm not talking about a 10-year-old or a 5-year-old. Even a teenager is a child.
Yeah.
Okay, even a 20-year-old is a child,
Right.
because तुमको अभी तक भी नहीं figure out कर पा रहे हैं what we are going to do, just because of the conditions which we have been grown up in, or which we've been told.
Hmm.
So I think it stems from that. If parents have a very good communication with the child from the very start, okay, you can, enhance the level of the conversation eventually as the child grows up, but at least have a conversation with the child, so that the child is, aware that, okay, fine, now I have to explore, this is me. If I go to my parents, I should never be scared to go and tell my parents that this is what I am, right?
Yeah.
If I'm scared, then it's, I'm very sorry, but it's their loss, because then you're parenting, there is some loophole in the parenting which is leading to your child having so many different kinds of selves that he's not even aware कि मैं हूँ क्या, मतलब what do I actually want.
I think this is such a beautiful nod to one of our previous episodes where we talked about
Right.
the same parent-child relationship, but in a slightly different context. And we actually ended up on the same line कि हमारी conditioning ऐसी हुई है ना बचपन से कि we are never encouraged to talk properly or to like communicate properly, to put it in a better way. And we actually concluded that episode saying, please start conversations, even if they are brief, even if they are like just small conversations. Please start, and then like you can further develop on it, of course. And yeah, like I really, like I could really I don't know how many of you can relate this, but I could clearly correlate with what we discussed in that
Right.
episode and then what Yashashwini just said.
I was actually also like going into the flashback of that episode when we were recording it and we were discussing about it.
Yeah, I know, right? Like conditioning is such a big part of how we turn out to be.
And the role the parents actually play, like that is of immense importance. Like it is really sometimes very sad for me to know that a person is more comfortable sharing things with their friends rather than their family. So that is something which I'm not really like sure about how to feel about it. I'm not really sure like what to feel about it.
Yeah, and I think it's the same thing कि जैसे मैं बता रहा था कि बॉम्बे में जाके मैंने रियलाइज किया कि ये चीज़ एक्चुअली है एंड देन व्हेन आई सॉर्ट ऑफ बिकेम कंफर्टेबल इन इट विद इट एंड व्हेन आई केम बैक बिकॉज somebody somewhere ate a bat. So I like तब I actually started to converse with my father, and this I've already spoken about this on the podcast. कि it's been very recent that I've started communicating with my father, and it's been great. Like the journey has been really great, and I'm really glad that I did. So yeah, man, just start communicating there, and you'll eventually get somewhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would like to add one more thing. What Vivek asked, that where does it stem from? One thing which I said is about conditioning and all. The second thing could be comparison. Like I think Indian parents are a trademark for that. ठीक है, वो लोग बहुत ही famous है उस चीज में. That
अब क्या
whenever,
ही कहें इस बारे में तो.
yeah, exactly. But I think अब हमें कहना पड़ेगा because we've taken the first step for negotiation. So whenever like the child is forced, कभी भी गेस्ट आए, परफॉर्म कर, गाना गा के बता, पोएम गा के बता. Now the child might not want to sing.
Yeah.
So this is when now it's a very very small thing, but people don't realize that childhood is like a गीली मिट्टी की तरह होता है. Clay, not like sand, but clay. However you shape it, like it's those small moments and small steps which shapes an individual, which shapes the trunk, if I have to call that, the real self. So for real self also to come up, it is very important that people, like childhood में बहुत ही clear हो सब कुछ. For example, I would like to elaborate. जैसे एक parenting का comparison वाला है. ऐसे बनो, उसके जैसे बनो. Now, I don't want to sing, but because my neighbor's child sings and that is going to make my parents happy, a branch comes up from me which will try its level best to sing and impress the parent.
Right.
If I'm making sense.
Yes.
Yeah.
Totally. Yep.
Yeah. So that is what demotivates the child. If parents think that this is a good way to push the child, but I'm very, very sorry. There are other ways also which can help the child grow. Make him create a safe space for the child to embrace the real self, and if not embrace, at least know the real self. Give him that space. Let him come to you with 10 things he wants to do and let him choose. You don't tell him that, do this, tu yehi ban, yehi kar, wohi kar, look good. Like there are so many girls who don't like to dress up, who are forced to dress up. Now that is a pretentious self, no?
Mhm.
Forced to apply makeup and go
Exactly.
to weddings. That's a pretentious self. I am very comfortable in my normal attire and my normal skin. I don't want to put up makeup. Similarly, there are girls who like putting, like it's vice versa. Are you getting it? So the whole
Yeah.
point is when you don't allow your child to just be with himself, all by himself, and just the way he or she is, that's when the pretentious selves, if I have to say, a lot of pretentious, a lot of elements from you come up, and the branches are just never ending, and it's sad.
Wow. So that was very informative. Like that actually made me think a lot of things
I am
which
glad.
I have experienced in my lifetime. Yeah. So thank you so much for that. That was really nice. Thank you so much, Yashaswini, for that. When you were talking about कि हम लोग क्या like पेरेंट्स जो है वो बोलते हैं कि बच्चों को like ओके डांस करो ये कोई उनके फ्रेंड्स हैं सो आई हैव बीन दैट चाइल्ड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट मेरे को बोला गया है वो आई हैव डन दैट लकीली आई लाइक डांसिंग सो आई डोंट थिंक इतना कुछ वो इशू था मेरे लिए But yeah, so I could totally relate to whatever you were saying. And when I like look back, so it seems like yeah, that might have also contributed to me being a different kind of a person in front of different people, right? So yeah, thank you so much for that.
So, Vivek, when did you realize that your little child Vivek, went through something and now this is not the Vivek you would want to be, or like, you know what I mean, right?
Yes, I
Yeah.
think I got your question. So, to answer that, I think it basically the turning point in my life was basically in my college. It was very late, so it was when I was formally introduced to dancing, in which I had to basically interact with a lot of people, right?
Hey, I know that time.
Yes, Sumit remembers that time. Yeah. So actually, उस time पे it turned out कि like I was a very मतलब जैसे मैंने initially भी बोला था right I am actually a introvert guy काफी shy person हूँ I cannot like directly go to people right just talk to them ऐसे ही हवा में so but because of that group or surrounding in which I was right मेरे को बात करनी पड़ी I had to come out of that shell जो कि मैंने ओवर लाइक माय प्रीवियस जितने भी मेरे प्रीवियस इयर्स थे ऑफ माय लाइफ जो भी मैंने एक्सपीरियंसेस किए थे आई हैड टू कम ऑफ दैट शेल सो दैट वाज एसेंशियली द टाइम जब मेरे को बात करनी पड़ी लोगों से आई हैड टू रीच आउट टू पीपल make sure I can make good conversations with them, like interesting conversations, so that I can talk to them. I can take out some information. I can give some information quickly, right?
Mm-hmm.
So वो सब चीजें थी जो मेरे को लगा ओके दिस
Mm-hmm.
इज समथिंग आई वांटेड
Yeah,
टू बी
I hear
लाइक
you.
मैं हमेशा से ऐसा होता तो आई कुड हैव बीन अ वेरी डिफरेंट विवेक इन माय स्कूल टाइम और उससे पहले बट
Yes.
बेटर लेट
Mm-hmm.
देन नेवर आई गेस
Mm-hmm. I would like to take something from there. You said that, you had to, like you said, the term baat karni padi. I would like to take that thing and I want to say something about that. Like this whole thing, there's this quote, no, your vibe attracts your tribe.
राइट
It makes so much sense. Like if you could have been, or if you would have been in an environment जहाँ पे जैसा है विवेक वैसा है would have been the case with you, then you wouldn't have to make an effort to talk to people. The people who genuinely like it would come so naturally to you. Are you getting
या
it? Now these are small incidents when your pretentious self just pops up and then it never subsides. It just stays, and then there are so many pretentious selves that you're at the end, scratching your head and being like, "Oh my God, what is wrong with me?" And the very famous question which we've heard in Bollywood, "मैं आखिर हूँ क्या? कौन हूँ मैं?" comes up.
ओह
So,
नाइस
so
Like,
that's what happens.
is this Vivek number 5742 real?
it is Vivek
Yeah, very
2378
nice.
76798
एक सेकेंड ऐसे ओपनली नंबर नहीं देना अपना किसी को.
Yes, calling.
All right. Yashashwini, do you have a similar story when you realized that there could be multiple uh, parts to your personality?
I would like to open the box of my life, and if I have the time, I can tell you many stories, but I'll tell you very prominent ones. Like the one you mentioned, the Bombay journey. Now, the irony of the whole thing is that when you use the word journey, it is usually a very long time. But this journey was short, but taught us. I think if I have to talk about me, then I transformed as an individual when I was there. Thanks to the course, thanks to the city, thanks to the people and everybody. And that's when I realized that, oh my God. And before that, I thought that this is the trunk, this is the real me. Then I went there, I was questioned by the environment, I was questioned by people coming and telling me that, there is a very remarkable difference in you when you're talking to your parents, when you're talking to your relatives, and when you're talking to us, and when you're in classroom, when you're talking on camera, when I was making videos. So then it was a very big, if I have to, like use the word, मेरे को बहुत धक्का लगा ऐसे that being in the field of psychology, being a counselor, being in the field of mental health, I am also going through the same thing. And that's when I realized that it is very important that I start at least to, I start accepting it myself that yeah, aisa hai. Now, if I have to give a very वैसा example, though it's very personal, I would give you the broader idea. There are few things which my parents are not comfortable talking about. Okay, like for example, my parents believe that by now I should have one kid and I should be married. But according to their timeline, my timeline is not matching. Okay.
Yeah.
So now I am also confused that do I want that? Do I want this? Which part of me wants what? Okay, and this is
Mhm.
a very, it's an existential question if I have to put it that way, because I genuinely till date अभी तक 12-11 हो रहे हैं, इस मोमेंट तक तो मुझे genuinely आइडिया नहीं है कि which part of me wants what, because of the strong conditioning and my idea that maybe I want to explore more, or maybe I want to focus on the career. Are you getting it? Now my real
Yes.
self is extremely ambitious, if I have to put it that way. Extremely ambitious when it comes to work.
Mhm.
If I don't work, I legit feel sad. I am very consciously using the word.
Mhm.
But my pretentious self is already with Hum Saath Saath Hai family picture. And I have to be like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm just ready to fit in the picture. And yeah, I don't know which character I am, whether I'm Tabu or Sonali or whatever. But yeah, that is what happens. And I belong to a very regressive background. I am very, very sorry to say this, and yes, ashamed to say this. And I'm very consciously saying it because there is no concept of self. तो तुम real और pretentious की तो बात नहीं कर सकते हो.
Hmm.
And there's no concept of psychology because there's no concept of education. There's no concept of having a career. And there is no, if I have to talk about one thing, there is no concept of conversation and choices. So, of course, I've had my branches and pretentious selves, and I'm trying to cut them as many as possible because I'm happy with the trunk. I want to embrace the real self.
Yeah, I just want to add this one thing here. Yes, Ashwini,
Yeah.
kudos to you. All the power and all the love
Oh my God. Thank
from
you.
all of us who are listening, and all the
Yeah.
members of Lincoln Roots family. But I just want to add this one thing, ki, with all due respect, again, we should really not be sorry and apologizing for what happened to us or who we have been so far, because like the reason why we are this way, that we are today, is because of who we were in the past and what has happened to us. And if we are calling ourselves that we want to be better and like we are the more better version of us what we were in the past.
Of course. Of course. Of course, Sumit, I would like to interrupt you there. See, what happens is, like, if I'll take you back to Vivek's story, okay? If I have to connect the dots. Now, Vivek could have easily explored himself, and his real self would have come up, even without usko ye effort jo tha na, jaise singing ka ho gaya, if his parents or whatever the environment would have accepted that, yeah, my child is an introvert and my child doesn't want to become your joker every time you come to a place. Are you getting it? कि चलो ताली बजा के
Yeah.
बताओ, चलो नाच के बताओ, ऐसे सब.
Mhm.
So that would have been an easy route. Definitely, I am very grateful for the journey. But I think I value my time more now. I would have wasted less time, less energy, and that resource would have been very well used if I would have been given an environment which would have been much more stable. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Now the environment, my parents are extremely open, whatever it is. Jo bhi hai, I don't have a term right now because it keeps on fluctuating. So I don't know what happens. That is the reason why my career also is taking or is in double doors. ऐसे समझ में नहीं आता है that do I have to go there? The moment I start focusing and my real self is all ready with, because I'm a planner. Okay, I plan months, I plan years.
Oh.
Okay, so I have a set plan. उसके हिसाब से चीजें जैसे ही चलने लगती है, there is something, and my pretentious self has to come up and take action, and then the story, we have to paint the picture.
It goes on and on.
So that is wasting time.
Hmm.
That shuffling, that juggling is wasting time. So that is the reason why I'm sorry. I am not sorry, but yeah, I feel a little bit weird that things could have been easier. And I'm not talking for myself, okay? There is a whole community I am talking about, and I'm very consciously doing it because there's so many girls who come to me and say that we want to make a career, but हमें पता नहीं है क्या career बनाना है. You know, this is such a sad statement.
Yeah.
If they say that I want to make a career in this, but it's not happening, at least you have a plan. You two don't even know what you have to do, which means what kind of an environment are we creating for the next generation also? It's full of pretentious people, and thanks to them, social media. So
Yeah.
yeah,
Social media. We are so
hope
grateful.
I made some sense, talk some sense.
Yeah, man, a lot actually.
It actually makes a lot of sense.
वो अलग बात है कि
Yeah.
ये सारा ही एपिसोड सोशल मीडिया पे जा रहा है, but
Oh no,
And
no,
and
no.
Sumit recently started working.
Oh my god. I am so sorry for Sumit then. I am so sorry, Sumit. I would like to apologize.
no, it's fine,
Totally.
it's fine. Okay. All right. Well, I think this was a very insightful conversation. I really loved every bit of it.
Same. All right. So Yashaswini, you talked about the role of parents, right? So I just wanted to basically understand from you why do you think that our parents behave in a certain way, like वो वैसा behave क्यों करते हैं? Why do they really want the child to basically perform in front of their friends or relatives? What do you think about it?
Now, I can't talk about myself because my parents never did that. My parents had to actually, it was a reverse situation in my place. My parents had to stop me कि बस बेटा आप इतना डांस नहीं करना है अपने को ऐसे. So, so that
Wow.
is a reverse thing. But if I have to talk, I think parents usually want appreciation for their child and it makes them feel good if that is what it is. But if I have to talk about why parents don't create a safe space, yeah, why parents do this, and about the real self and how the pretentious self comes up, everything, then I would say that they also have their own journey. And I think first step lena kisi bhi cheez mein is a task, okay, and they are not taking it. And so when you take it, it's like, so it's, there's a line of 100 people and you choose to stand in a different line. Obviously the 99 are going to look at you, okay, but now everybody is doesn't
Obviously.
have that kind of confidence or courage, if I have to say courage, to be like it's okay, even if the line I am standing, there is koi aage mere nahi hai, koi piche mere nahi hai, but I'll still figure the way out. And then if I have a child, and then I would want my child also to choose a similar path, that takes a lot of courage, and there are very rare families who do that, who create a safe space that whatever it is, you come to us and talk. We should be the first person or people who know your secret and then your friends. बट नाउ आजकल थोड़ा उल्टा होता है, फ्रेंड्स से पता चल जाता है, एक
Right.
तुम्हारा गद्दार फ्रेंड निकले, वो आके तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स को बता दे भाई यहाँ पे थी तेरी बेटी है, यहाँ पे था तेरा बच्चा ऐसे. So that is a sad
Yeah.
situation currently. But yeah, parents have their own journey, and but that is actually mostly people use it as an excuse. I am very sorry for that. Even if you have a journey, you can always, adapt with the changing times, adapt with the changing world, and then still hold on to your values. Now, asking your child to choose a different career is not going to compromise values or ethics or the long traditions of your family. It is not going to harm that in any way. Okay, for example, in a
Yeah.
family of doctors, if your child wants to become an artist, your child is a blessed child. Of course, artists are like
Right.
rare people. Who is blessed? I think art is something जो बहुत ही ऐसे, you know, it's a very rare thing. Okay, everybody is an artist, but when you talk about specific artistic fields, not everybody wants to do that and has the courage. That is the reason why we're very less artists, because they're not supported and promoted. So yeah, if I have to put it that way, parents do it out of their long conditioning. So you see how deep this conditioning is and what kind of a daldal we are stuck into. It is very difficult to come out of quicksand.
Right.
Yeah.
So, talking about the quicksand, so what do you suggest? Like, how should people basically try to, like, what should be done essentially so that people might come out of it? Like, maybe from the parents' side or maybe from the child side, whatever. Like, anything you would want to talk about.
Yeah, this is a very tricky thing, Vivek, because what happens is that sometimes parents create a very safe space for the child and the child gets baffled. Okay. Now, for example, if there are 10 dishes lying in front of me, I might want to eat all 10 and then get nauseous and then puke
Yep.
my life out of myself. Okay, are you
Yeah.
getting it? So, similarly, that's what happens. The conditioning, you do the right conditioning. Okay, if I don't have to talk about the right and the wrong, but I still want to put it that way, create a safe space, communicate with your child that what he actually wants. Then, so this is all an amalgamation of my experience, my child's desires, and then what he wants to do and the environment's need, and then coming to a conclusion. Now what happens here is that mostly what parents do is my beliefs, our values, our beliefs, and bus you andha follow it then.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this is what is
Yeah.
happening now.
Totally. Yep.
If you tell your child that beta मुझे ऐसा लगता है that you do this, you try this, if this doesn't work out then we will try this. If you have to reframe your sentence, go try this, go give this competition, go become an IAS officer. Now my community is crazy about giving entrance exams. I don't know about other people. My community, if you give an entrance exam, you are Lord, you're Brahma.
Okay.
Okay. Now, not all kids want to do that. However much my IQ is, not necessarily that I become an IAS officer. Are you getting
Right.
it?
Yep.
Now, it is so difficult for my environment to digest the fact that I am, balancing dance and psychology. So, ये प्रिटेंशियस सेल्फ पे अगर हम घूम फिर के वापस आए तो ये तो ऐसा है कि भाई कम्युनिटी हो गई, एनवायरनमेंट हो गया, वही ऐसे सब ला रहा है कि forcing you to emerge and get all these things out of you. So I think what happens is parents should have a very great and a very assertive and a logical conversation with the child. Know what is going on in the child's mind. उस पे उसको थोपो मत कुछ भी, क्योंकि he will grasp it and then not understand half knowledge होगा और फिर वो कुछ भी करेगा, and then again this chaos will keep on repeating and we're stuck in a loop then.
Yeah. And I just want to add one thing here. Ki, we completely acknowledge the fact and we really appreciate our parents doing their best for us and giving us or like guiding us on a path which they feel would definitely work. Like we really appreciate it and we acknowledge it. It's just that there's a need of a change because of the evolved times. And that is what the conversations, we want to have. And that's what we are here for in the podcast.
Yes. I think, Sumit, you just realized that this podcast is going to be live and out there, and your parents might just listen and be like, who is this guest you've got, rebelling for no reason?
I
That's
think,
why you're covering up and being like, parents,
no,
we're very grateful for you. You are creating all, you're giving us everything. We are very grateful. Let's
I,
recite a prayer.
I mean, I'm genuinely grateful for them for creating me, first of all. That has to be put out.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. I think this has been a very insightful talk. I am really glad that you are here, Yashashwini, because like I thoroughly enjoyed it. I'm sure Vivek did as well.
Totally.
Yes. So thank you so much, man, again for coming on the show and like giving us this precious time. It was great having you here. And
Thank you so much. First of all, it was an amazing experience. It was my pleasure. Thank you for having me. And yeah, it was an amazing experience to talk about issues like this. So yeah, I feel very grateful for the moment. And yes, for my parents to create me for this moment. So yeah.
so that we can,
So yes,
we are able to make this podcast. Yes, we are very
yes,
grateful.
definitely.
All right. On this note, thank you so much, everyone who's listening. I would again like to take a moment and thank Yashashwini one more time. And of course, Vivek is always here. Thank you so much, Vivek. Uh, I am also very appreciative of you doing this with me. And
Anytime.
yeah, chalo. See you guys in the next episode. And till then, you can always go back to our previous episodes and listen to all the episodes that we have of
Lincoln Roots.
podcast. See you guys.
Bye bye.